Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open settings and first of all, just make sure you log into your Samsung account. To do that, just tap on sign into your Galaxy and select sign in with Google. From here, just select your Gmail account and select I have read and agreed to all the above. Then tap on agree. Tap on get started and tap on continue. Now just tap on cancel. Now once you log into your Samsung account, just go back, then go to accounts and backup, and under the Samsung Cloud section, to back up your data, just tap on backup data and enable the toggle for the data which you want to back up to your Samsung Cloud. Now for an example, you can back up the data of your call logs, your messages, your contacts, calendar, clock, settings, your home screen settings, and also you can back up all the apps on your smartphone. Now you also have the option to auto backup while you're roaming. Now just tap on backup now to back up your data. Now as you can see, we have successfully backed up all the data on our smartphone. Now just tap on done. Now to restore all the backed up data on your smartphone, just go back and tap on restore data under the Samsung Cloud section. Then tap on this phone. And from here, just select the data which you want to restore. Now once you select the data which you want to restore, then tap on restore. And also you have the option to back up your data for a limited time. Now for that, just go back, then go to General Management. Tap on Reset, and from here, tap on Temporary Cloud Backup. Now, but remember that the data you will back up in the Temporary Cloud Backup section will only back up your data in your Samsung Cloud for up to 30 days. Now just tap on Temporary Cloud Backup and tap on Backup Update. Select Update. Now just select the data which you want to back up for a limited time. Now once you select the data which you want to back up for a limited time, just tap on Update Backup. Now as you can see, we have successfully backed up our data in the temporary cloud section. Now this option is good for someone who wants to back up his data for a limited time. And this is how you can set up Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.